Hi, this is Elliot from the InsightLab development team. Today I'm going to show you guys a brief overview of our brand new app, the InsightLab Communications Hub. This is not going to be a detailed tutorial, more like what you can expect from the app and how to use it basically. Okay, so when you finished onboarding, you will arrive on that page. So you can log in with the user you set up during onboarding, and you will land on the home menu. So you can see a grid with 6 different items. We're gonna see them one by one. The first one is the communications grid. So this is the most important part of the app. On that screen, you will see all the messages you've sent or you received with your customers. So as you can see here, I received an email and I sent an email. You can filter the grid by message, you can filter it by customers, and you can also filter by conversation. So as you can see here, these two messages are part of the same conversation. Now, if you want to reply to a message, you can just click on it and you will go to the message detail screen. So the message screen looks like that. On the right side, you can see the current conversation you have with the customer. And you can also check every message that's been sent with this customer regardless of conversation. This can be useful if you want to reference a previous message, but doesn't have to be in the same conversation. Now on the left side, there is all the detail to enter a new message. So we're gonna see that right now in the new message screen. So if I come back here, I can go to the new message screen. If you want also to go there directly from this page, you can use this button here, which is a shortcut, and you can enter the new message screen. So from here, you can see all of your Shopify customers, and you can search for a specific one and send this person an email or a SMS. Of course, the person needs to have a phone number or an email address. So I'm going to send a message. Now you can see on the right side that we have the message history, and also this one is empty because we're about to start a new conversation. So you can send an email or an SMS. So in my case, I just have the basic plan of the app, so I don't have access to SMS. So I'm going to send an email. I can type subject. I can type any message that I want. I can insert a link to a document. You will see how to create documents right after. You can also attach files from your computer. This is only supported on email, obviously, because you cannot send a file by SMS. And you can click send to send the message. Now let's have a look at the messages and documents. So from that page, you can create documents using rich text field. So you can set the ID of the document, test one. And then from here, you have access to a bunch of different formatting options. You can also insert some tokens. These tokens will be replaced by the actual value of it. So if you type full name, it will be the name of your customer, for example. And you can save your document. This document can be later attached to a message. You can also create what we call frequent messages, which is basically any kind of message that you will send to different types of customers. So you can see this one is just a basic greeting message. You can see on this one, this is a very basic message I did just for testing. The best way to do it is to customize it using tokens, and then this will be automatically replaced by the name of the customer, and then you can attach any specific documents to it. So if you're kind of tired of typing over and over again the same message, you can use that, so it's pretty much working like templates. Now the last 3 parts of the app are the staff members. So here you can add all of your staff members and manage the permissions. For example, if I go here, I can select a staff member that cannot SMS and that cannot access this specific staff member page. So if you want to restrict permissions to specific users, and of course you will see in the console who message what customer. You can also from the same card log out if you want to hand over to another one of your staff. You can just log out from here. On the finance, you can first of all track your current usage. So this is the current usage I have, and on here you will see the history of your bills. So every month you will be charged directly by Shopify, but your bill will still appear here. You can see the amount, any comment, etc. You can also at any moment change your current plan from here. So you can see that I currently have the basic plan, and I can go to the plus plan and change it. So you can change your plan at any time if you want to test new features or whatever, but the pricing will vary depending on what you're doing, of course. Finally, on this last card, you can have a link to our YouTube channel for more resources and tutorials, and you can send us some feedback if there is anything you want to implement or something that doesn't work. You can contact us from here. So just before I wrap up, quick example. From here I can click on frequent messages. So as you can see, this one exists, and if I click use this message, it's going to basically pre-populate all the fields. It's also going to attach the document, so it's generating right now. And as you can see, we already have a message populated. We also already have the link to our document that is here. So if I access it right there, you can see this document exists. This has been replaced by my name. And then you can just send your document. Don't forget to add a subject, and then it's ready to go. So that's pretty much it for this very quick overview. I hope you will enjoy using the app, and if you have any questions, just contact us via the app or directly using the support email address. Thanks.